On September 6, 2017, among the devastation caused by Hurricane Irma's 200+ miles per hour winds was the crippling blow to the once vibrant BVI entrepreneurial spirit.
My emotions after seeing how destroyed my business was, it was sad and it was depressing. I really wasn't worried about the business. I was just thinking about, I just lost my home. The only clothes I had was the clothes on my back. So I had to focus more on what am I gonna do, where am I gonna live, what am I gonna wear. Yeah.
When I came down to EC SoCo and I saw that it was a mess, there was nothing I can do about it but board up the windows and leave it. It wasn't that pretty in here, and I had lost everything. I think at that point in time in my entire life that I've never felt like I've lost everything. And my thoughts were more about my family and my neighbors and making sure that we can at least get some cell service so that we can tell our family worldwide that we were alive. That's scary.
At the BVI Restoration Foundation, we are committed to helping BVI entrepreneurs restore their businesses. By contributing to this campaign, you'll assist us in partnering with organizations such as Forge International, who have demonstrated a proven track record of providing the necessary resources for entrepreneurs to build back the foundation of their businesses. The funds raised through this campaign will allow us to partner with organizations and institutions to offer business training workshops and business coaching free of charge to BVI entrepreneurs, as well as provide full and partial scholarships to access co-working spaces and provide funding to purchasing replacement equipment and inventory. Through these programs and resources, we are doing our part to reestablish the strength of the entrepreneurial spirit in the BVI.
Thank you for supporting the entrepreneurial spirit and supporting us, because you're supporting reality, you're supporting achievers. These are people who have worked very hard and continue to do so and will make it, but we just need a little bit of help.